The DJI Neo 2 has officially been confirmed, and with its final specs, pricing, and release date now out in the open, it is already becoming one of the most talked about drones of the year. DJI has long been regarded as the leader in consumer and professional drone technology, consistently delivering models that combine cutting-edge innovation with user-friendly design. With the Neo 2, DJI is targeting an audience that wants the perfect balance of affordability, portability, and advanced features without compromising on performance. Early leaks created a lot of hype, but now that the details are confirmed, we can finally see how this drone stacks up against expectations, and the results are nothing short of impressive. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Neo 2 is being positioned as an upgrade to the original Neo, with major improvements in flight performance, camera quality, connectivity, and overall intelligence, all while keeping a price point that is attractive for both hobbyists and semi-professional creators. At first glance, the design of the DJI Neo 2 remains sleek and compact, but closer inspection reveals a refined body that is more aerodynamic and durable than its predecessor. DJI has focused heavily on improving portability, ensuring that the drone remains lightweight while still feeling sturdy and reliable in hand. One of the biggest talking points is the new foldable arm system, which makes it even easier to pack and carry without sacrificing strength. The improved build quality gives the Neo 2 a premium feel, but what truly sets it apart is what's inside. The upgraded camera system is one of the most exciting aspects of this release, featuring a larger sensor capable of capturing 4K video at 60 frames per second and high-resolution stills with enhanced low-light performance. For content creators, this means sharper, more vibrant footage that can stand up to professional editing workflows, even though the Neo 2 is being marketed as a more accessible entry in DJI's lineup. Performance in the air has also seen significant improvements. The DJI Neo 2 boasts an extended flight time of up to 38 minutes, a major step up from the previous generation, giving pilots more freedom to capture the shots they need without constantly worrying about battery life. The upgraded propulsion system and redesigned propellers not only contribute to longer flight times but also ensure quieter operation, something drone pilots will appreciate when flying in noise-sensitive environments. In terms of speed and agility, the Neo 2 is faster and more responsive, with enhanced obstacle avoidance sensors on multiple sides. This allows for more confident flying, even in challenging conditions or tight spaces, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced pilots who want peace of mind when capturing complex shots. One of the standout features that has been confirmed for the Neo 2 is its advanced transmission system. DJI has included its latest O4 transmission technology, which provides a stable, low-latency connection between the drone and the controller at distances up to 15 kilometers. This ensures smooth, uninterrupted video feeds in 1080p resolution directly to your device, which is crucial for professional quality shooting. The stronger connection also means better resistance to interference, making the Neo 2 reliable even in crowded urban areas where signal congestion can be an issue. Combined with DJI's refined control system and intuitive app interface, flying the Neo 2 feels natural and precise, whether you are executing cinematic movements or performing quick maneuvers. Software intelligence is another area where DJI has made major strides. The Neo 2 comes loaded with advanced AI-assisted features that make flying and filming easier than ever. Intelligent tracking has been improved with better subject